Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 308 in the Allure specification. So this car has a large panoramic glass roof, 16-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 21,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.